All right, let me explain what's happening here. We have just restored the snapshot to Ubuntu server, which has ZFS already configured with all our drives, but nothing else, no data. We haven't run the pre-setup script yet, and in order to get the pre-setup script on this new fresh install, we've got to configure SSH keys, and that's going to be required for Ansible to work anyway. So here we're going back to the Ansible control server, and we're carrying out the commands necessary to get the pre-setup script moved over to our bare Ubuntu server install that only has ZFS. So after we succeed with this, we'll be able to run the pre-setup script and move forward, which will configure networking, SSH, and everything else. So that's the backdrop. Okay.
And you don't need to sudo because you already...
All right.
Yep, that's right. Space SSHD.
Okay.
And now you've got to set the root password.
Okay. Okay. So now we can do that. And the next step is getting the what we have on this machine as a keygen, SSH keygen.
Yep.
Okay.
You need to do SSH-keygen -R,
Okay.
-big R, cmcmatter.biz. And then repeat that with square brackets around cmcmatter.biz :925, and you've got to put the whole thing in quotes.
Okay.
Well,
okay.
the last parameter in quotes. And after the last square bracket, you have to put :925. That's right.
Okay.
And now you should be able to SSH in as root.
Okay. 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 Got it. Okay.
Yep. Now you SCP the script over.
Okay. We're still dealing with a port 22, so no problem there. We have the pre-setup script to like that.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. All right. Okay, oh yeah. And We are root. We don't have to. We do not have to sudo. Is that correct?
No, you're already root.
Yeah. Okay. Got to put that last tagline on the end. Ready?
Yep.
I made that convenient. So the user matter password didn't get, well, it's just the ABC is what it is. Okay. All right. See what happens.